Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to disconnect, how to unpair phone from the following car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now you need to find and select the settings icon. The settings icon should be located right here at the top of the screen. Let's just tap it. Now you've got access to all settings. From the following view, all you need to do is select here connections. If you press connections, you've got access to the connected device. As you can see, under Bluetooth, you should find your connected phone. So here I have my iPhone, and let me simply disconnect this device. Let me delete it. So let's use this information button with the letter I. Here you've got a few settings, and one of them is delete. Let's press delete. So if you would like to delete this iPhone from this car, let's tap yes. iPhone has been deleted. If you want to connect it again, please delete my car from the phone. So my car is the name of this particular car. So you just need to disconnect this device from your phone to simply get access to pairing one more time. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.